Hello friends, today in this video we are going to be discussing about the invoke function in Power Query Editor. So where I have the Power BI desktop open, and in from get data we are going to move into Excel workbook, and we are going to use this financial sample file that we always use, and here we are going to bring it into the navigator option, and in from the navigator option we are going to select financials, and from financial we are going to move into transform data. And once we are in the transform data, this is where we are going to use the invoke function, which is add column, and here it is. Now when I move into invoke function, it asks me that give a new column name, and it gives a function query. Now if I do not have any query or any function invoke, so how we are going to do that? And that is the main purpose of the video today. I'm going to delete each and everything over here, and I'm going to bring this financial samples into the query editor. Now if I move into invoke function, I have no invoke function. See, this function is not active. Now first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into home, and in the new source I'm going to click on a blank query, and now I'm going to develop a simple, very simple blank query over here. Now how I'm going to do that, I'm going to move in the from the home tab. There is this advanced editor. Now what I will do is that I will be developing a simple function, and I'm going to utilize this function wherever I want to use it. So this is over here. I want to have, can name it new price, new underscore price, and the new price I have two parameters, a as a number and b as a number. And after that I'm going to give what these a and b will do. So I'm going to have this a multiplied by b, simple as that. And after that, this is the new price that we will be working upon. So this is a small simple function that I've developed in my query, that new price where a is a number, b is a number, and a will be multiplying by b. So here I'll click done, and now I am going to move into financials, and in the financials I'm going to use, go to add column, and in add column I'm going to go to invoke function. So I'm going to name this new column new price, yeah, updated price. So, and in the function query I'll call this function that I've developed, and from first I will develop, I can either choose a decimal number, or what I can do is I can use a column name. So I'm going to choose the sales price, which is over here, and find the sales price. I'm going to increase the sales price by 20%, so that is 1.20. And when I click OK, I have my new column, that is the updated price, which is a 20% increase in our sale price. So the sale price is 20, and 1.20 is 4. The 20% of 20 is 4, and we will have 20 plus 4 is 24. So this is how you use the invoke function. I hope this small video was helpful, and thank you guys for watching.